This is a quick tutorial how to using Zoom meeting for schedule your advising appointment or office hour. So in order to access the K-State Zoom meeting website, it should be ksuzoom.us. This is the main web page entrance, and on the upper right corner you can sign in using your EID and password. So once you put your EID and password, you can log in to the main user interface. So here I have example this meeting I scheduled. Okay, and if you can see from here I already scheduled some advising meeting. At the bottom of this page you can see that you have two plugin you can download. One is installed in your Chrome web browser. The other one is installed on your Microsoft Outlook, and you can schedule your meeting over there. Today I'm going to just quickly demonstrate how to schedule a new meeting. For example, for example, this is I want to schedule a meeting for my advising appointment with a student. So okay, and you can specify the time or how long the meeting is. This is not really restricting. You can actually using the same meeting over and over again, and this is just give you a time for you to send it to student, or you can set up a recurring meeting on a daily basis, a weekly basis, or no fixed time. So this is where you set up the Zoom meeting in that case. And also you can specify if you want to use videos or for the host, which is you, and the participant, which is the students, and what type of audio you're going to use. You can use telephone as audio. You can also use in computer, or you can use both. The next 5 options are the meeting option. You can enable the student join the meeting before the host. You can mute the participant upon entry. They can have to unmute themselves. Also, you can enable the waiting room. The student wait in the waiting room until you log in. Okay. The next one is only authenticated user can join. You have to specify a list of the participant. And the last one, you can actually record your meeting automatically when you set up. The last option is a so-called alternative host. You can assign a person to host the meeting instead of you. And this is convenient when you have a meeting running late. The other one can start a meeting for you. So these are the options we have. After you save the meeting, it will come up with 3 different options, and you can either send this as a Google Calendar, or you can send this as Outlook Calendar, ICS, or you can send it as Yahoo file. The most importantly you want to remember is the meeting ID, which is this one. The meeting ID, you can reuse it, the same one over and over again, and you don't have to change it. For example, I set up one advising or one office hour section for the entire semester, and I emailed that to a student. So students just have to follow this link down here, actually, every time they want to talk to me, and I post on Canvas when it's going to be my office hour, so student can jump into the meeting to ask questions. You can edit this meeting. If the first time you think something didn't set it right, and you can start a meeting right away over here. So this is the user interface Zoom.us has for dedicated to K-State users. And you have to register on this web page. You don't automatically get an account. You have to register yourself on this web page. But once you register, you got a Zoom Pro level of meeting account, and therefore you can schedule meeting more than 45 minutes. Otherwise, the default meeting you have is just 45 minutes. So this is a major difference between a pro account and a regular account. After that, after you send out those, you can download those and you send it out to other people. After you've done that, you can quit this and you can start a meeting from your Microsoft Outlook or Google Gmail account. Conclude this